What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to get clients for your social media marketing agency. Okay, it's very fast, it's very easy. This tutorial is going to be a piece of cake. So for this tutorial I'm going to use PyGambot. You don't have to use PyGambot, however I personally prefer how fast and efficient it is to get clients using it. So I actually just scraped this list, but we're not going to use this one because there's not actually a lot of data on this. All right, there's only 2,300, although I guess we could use it. Let's just use it, why not? Okay, so we are going to make a Yellow Pages full report. Oh, sorry, this is from Yahoo, just kidding. We're going to export contact pages. So basically what I did is I found a list of trades, okay? Baker, bricklayer, carpenter, all that stuff. Because generally these people don't have very good computer skills. So when it comes to social media management, virtually non-existent. So we'll call this one Trade Skills Yahoo Contact List. Okay, URL is exported, open the file, no. And let's reset the app. Okay, now this, I'm scraping Yellow Pages for the pretty much, not the exact same data, but a smaller list because I know the results are going to come back. We're going to get a lot more results from the Yellow Pages from a list like this. But anyway, so we've got a fresh instance of the app. We're going to click on Add URL List, post to URL directly, and Trade Skills Yahoo Contact List. Okay, so 2,300. And what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to the Posting tab. Now, I actually don't have a social media marketing agency, so I'm not going to be trying to get any clients for my social media marketing agency because I don't actually have one, and I just don't, I don't have one, so I'm not going to do it, obviously. But what I do currently in the social media management space is I have an affiliate offer that I like to promote. That might be in here somewhere. Or it might not be. Yeah, okay. So I promote, is it this one? No. Okay, so it's not on this instance. All right, so basically this is a company that I've been promoting for a while. I like them because they have a page that converts very well, and they pay me every week, and we're part of the same marketing group, so it just works for me. You guys are welcome to promote them as well, however you want. You'll see what the company is right now. It's not a secret or anything. But basically, this just works for me. I don't have to actually do any managing of the accounts, and it's a piece of cake. So we're going to go to Form Field Setup. So it's Explode Social, XPLOD. All right, let's go here, paste that in. There we go. Okay, so load that in there. Piece of cake. All right, Philip at Explode Social, phone number, blah, blah, blah. How about this? We'll change this one to managing your social media. All right, hello, my name is Philip from Explode Social. We are experts in growing Instagram accounts, blah, blah, blah. Here's the link. If you want it, go buy it. All right, and that's it. Now, how many do we have in here? 2,000 something? Yeah, so that's not a lot, but whatever, who cares? Let's do it. So we click on Start. It'll ask us how many threads. Let's do 21 threads. I like that number. And that's it. Now, if you wanted to do this for your own social media marketing agency, obviously the only change you would make is you would put your URL here, right? Duh, it's obvious. But that is pretty much the difference with this strategy, okay? So, like I said, pretty straightforward. Success rate on this, about 25-30% currently. Probably going to be pretty standard for this niche. I'm not really sure. This was scraped from Yahoo, so it's climbing. Anyway, if you guys have any questions, let me know in a comment. If you like the video, click like. Also, if you want to book a consultation with me over the phone, because I'm starting to do coaching services, I'll put a link in the description and you can just go on there and book a 30-minute time slot. So we can talk about like whatever you need help with, basically. Cool. Help you make some money online. Cool. Peace. Subscribe. Send me money. No, I'm kidding. No, but actually, yeah, do that.